show you this effect. It's called the Impromptu prediction. And this is a great effect if you don't have any cards or any coins, anything on you. You borrow the objects. So I have here 7 borrowed objects. Okay, it could be any amount of borrowed objects. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to show you this effect. So I'm going to have Diane help me out. I'd like to I'll just pick 2. I'd like you to eliminate one. Which one would you like to eliminate? The glove, okay. Now I want you to select any 2 of these items here. Okay, so I'll eliminate one. Get rid of the pen. That leaves us with these objects here. Okay. So now I'm going to select 2. I'll pick these 2. So I'd like you to eliminate one. Okay, the keys. Now it's your turn. You select any 2. Okay, so I will eliminate one. Eliminate the ring. Now it leaves 3 items here, so I'd like you to go ahead and I'm going to pick 2 items. Okay, I'll pick these 2. I would like you to eliminate one. There's no force, right? Totally fair. Leaves these 2, so obviously I have to eliminate one, so I'll just get rid of one. Now I'd like you to take a look at my prediction beforehand. I have written down, and let's see if I got this right.
Cell phone.
Cell phone? That's impossible. Show that to the camera at home. Thank you very much. That's the Impromptu prediction.